Well, hey, what's going on, guys? It's Dave and Abby. This is GVA, Ghettovanadventures. So right behind me is a 2001 Ford F150 7700 series. It's 5.4 in it, same as the 4.6. I got to change out the battery. Battery is dead, done. It doesn't take any charge. It's real easy. I'm going to show you how. So in this battery, they're black, and this is red. So negative, positive. So undo the negative one first, and this one takes an 8 mil. So let's get these disconnected. And get that off. And now right down here we have an 8 millimeter bolt that holds the battery locked into place. If you haven't, spray some penetrating fluid on that so it'll come out. I'm taking this out with a wrench. It's taking a long time, but it's so tight in there. Even with penetrating oil, it's taking a little effort. Okay, I got the bolt out. See how long it is. And in here, you just take this piece out. Just keep it, I usually put them down in the line that it came out. Now, the battery is loose. It's gonna take 2 hands to lift this battery out because it's heavy. Old battery out, new used battery in. Now, just reverse everything. And so first thing, put this down into place so it locks the battery in. Put the bolt in. Put the bolt in and tighten it down. Okay, get this. Whoops. There. Tight. The terminals are clean. Everything's clean, so it's just a matter of positive on first, negative on last. So put this on. I can even tighten with this. There, one done. And like I say, if they're dirty, corroded, and that sort of stuff, now it's your time to get them cleaned up. 2 done. Just as quick as that. Now, in theory, this should start. Well, that's a good sign. This thing's sat for over a year. Woohoo! I need some gas. Yep, no problems. Isn't that great? Purring like a kitten. Check the oil, everything's good. Let's just let it sit and idle because it hasn't run for a long time. Well, there you go, guys. Easy as 1, 2, 3. It would take you, I don't know, maybe 15 minutes. Battery's a little heavy, so you might need help putting it in if you don't have upper body strength. Like I say, 3 bolts. The battery terminals and the hold down, and then take them off, reverse them, done, easy. And that can save you a lot of money and a lot of grief. Anyway, guys, that's about it. Hope this helps. You guys take care. Be safe on the road.